What's going on? It's Luke, man. It's another blessed day. I thank you guys for hanging around to watch this video. Guess what? It's the fourth quarter and a lot of us are freaking out, not knowing what to do, because some people are going to lose money in this quarter and some are going to make money. But my promise to you is that you can make money if you pay attention to the end of this video. I'm going to be sharing with you in this video a case study of a new store that actually turned very little money into a lot of money by following a very simple strategy, which if you adopt today in your Facebook marketing, you're gonna make money in this quarter. And listen, this is not like 100% promise. I'm just saying, if you follow everything in this case study, the PDF is below this video, which I'm going to share with you guys. If you can click on the link, you can choose to watch this video to the end, or you can just go ahead and click on the link below this video to get the PDF where I detailed the exact step-by-step process that we took to ensure that this mega $100 was eventually able to generate over $500,000, and how that was done, and how you can do it today as well on Facebook, regardless of what your budget is. And again, you've got to follow each and every step and make sure that you understand everything in there. So what you have to do is to click on the link below. It's going to take you to a page, put in your email that you want this PDF, and I'm going to send it to you. But before you do that, let me share with you the steps. There are only 5 steps included in this PDF, in the case study as the case may be, and I'm going to share those steps with you so that you can know and understand what you're in for. I guarantee if you make use of it and you follow each and every step detailed in this case study, you're gonna make money in this quarter. You ready? Let me show it to you. All right, so what you have in front of you right here is the entire PDF that I promise I'm gonna be sharing with you guys after this video, but let me go ahead and show it to you. So there are 5 rounds or 5 phases, as the case may be, that are involved in this strategy. And again, you can easily call this a Facebook blueprint of turning penny into profit. Okay, so there are 5 steps included here, and I'm gonna show you what those steps are. So we're gonna go by the first step. Phase 1 over here is testing, which is the round 1 of this strategy. And again, if you are doing anything in advertising or anything in this world, as the case may be, you've got to test. If you do not test, you're gonna end up losing money and you're not gonna have any data to work with. So in this strategy, the first thing you're gonna have to do is to test. All right, so the round 1 is for us to test. We're gonna test, and of course there are a few steps involved in that testing. And the next phase is going to be where we now start testing again. All right, we test with very small budget, then we increase that budget by testing again in phase 2, which is a continuation of the phase 1 process. And of course the third one is where we now do testing again, but this time around we're testing the lookalikes and retargeting, because this time around we have enough data to work with. If you don't have data, you're not going to have anything to work, and that is why it is essential that you test that phase 1 and phase 2 so you can start testing on the third phase now with your data, which is your lookalike and of course your retargeting. And if you've been doing anything online, especially if you run any ad on Facebook, on YouTube, on Google, Taboola, whatever, you know that after your test comes your payday. That is when you start cashing in on your lookalike and of course your retargeting. And our phase 4 is we have to start scaling. We scale on our lookalikes, we scale on our retargeting, because now we're profiting. And then the next thing for us is to start putting those profit back into advertising, and that is when we start scaling. And of course, lastly, we end the game by continuing to scale and continue to profit. I cannot possibly go ahead and explain each and everything in this PDF to you guys. That is what I want you to go ahead and click on the link below, get the copy of this PDF, print it out, start making use of it. And those are the 5 steps. Of course, you test, you scale, and you continue to profit. And all of these are detailed in that PDF. So if you click on the link below, it's going to take you to a page. Put in your email address that you really want this PDF so I can share it with you. And once you get it, print it out and start following each and every. And again, we started with very little money, about $10 per ad set. Depending on your budget, just make sure it does not matter what your budget is, you can still use this. And I have another gift for you. Once you put in your email that you want to get the PDF, not only am I going to send you the PDF, I'm also going to send you, when the time is right, I'm going to put you on the waiting list for a new book that Russell Brunson is coming out with, which is Traffic Secrets. And guess what? I was there in Phoenix during our 2 Comma Club X meeting in Phoenix, the very first time when Russell Brunson actually dumped all the materials included in these Traffic Secrets, his new book that is coming out. He dumped all the materials on us. We were the first set of people to be allowed to actually view the inside secrets of this Traffic Secret book. So not only am I going to send you this PDF for free, you don't have to buy it. I'm going to send it to you for free. I'm also going to put you on the list for the Traffic Secret book, so that when it comes out, I can hand you a free copy of it. Not only that, I'm also going to give you a free invitation into my unlimited traffic funnel and conversion academy. It's a mastermind for those that want to know how to run traffic, convert them, and continue to profit. You're going to be a member of that group for free. You're going to be a member of the inner circle. I'm also going to invite you to the private group, the private Facebook group, where you don't have to pay a dime and you will continue to learn. So here's what happened. Click on the link below. Go and put in your email. I'm going to send you the PDF. I'm going to put you on the waiting list for Traffic Secrets, and also I'm going to invite you to the unlimited traffic funnel and conversion mastermind. So keep selling before you get sold. I'm going to talk to you later. Adios.